Hey everyone, Attorney Scott Kalish here. Today I want to talk to you about alimony, and I want to answer your question of, will you have to pay alimony at the end of your divorce case? Now, this is a question I get all of the time. People want to know, will I have to pay alimony at the end of my case? And the answer really depends on a couple of different things. It depends on whether or not your wife can prove both she has a need and you have the ability to pay alimony. So let's take each one separately. Let's talk about a need. Can your wife prove that she has a need for alimony? Now, what am I talking about when I talk about need? Well, your wife has to show that she is not capable of going out and getting a job and supporting herself, paying her living expenses, right? Let me give you an example. Imagine your wife went out and got a job that paid her $4,000 a month, and let's imagine that her living expenses are $3,500 a month. Under that set of facts, she would not be able to prove need because she has an extra $500 left over at the end of the month. But let's switch it. Let's imagine that she has a job that pays her only $3,000 a month and that her living expenses are $3,500 a month. Under that set of facts, she would be able to prove need because she's behind $500 each month. So now let's talk about ability to pay. What do I mean by ability to pay? Well, the judge would look at whether or not at the end of the month, after you get paid and after you pay your expenses, do you have any money left over to pay her alimony, to meet her needs? So in the situation where she was behind $500, do you have any money left over to pay a portion, if not all of that money, to meet her need? So if the answer is no, and she can't prove that you have an ability to pay, you won't be able to, or you won't be required to pay any alimony. So that's how alimony works in Florida. If you have any questions about alimony or about divorce, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Thanks and have a great day.